Student, in this video, I am going to discuss lightning arrestor. Lightning arrestor is also one of the device to protect the line from external over voltage only. But I already told that previous class, the external over voltage are two types, direct stroke and indirect stroke, but especially lightning arrestors are used to avoid the indirect strokes only, not direct stroke. But in substation, mostly the lighting arrestors are used only in substation because of what? The lighting arrestors are very costly. So every lighting arrestor provides the 111 tower, the cost of the protective device is too much increases. That is a problem. Only used in substations. But every substation is we having two lighting arrestors we are using. Okay, one lighting arrestor provided incoming pole and one lighting arrestors are provided the outgoing pole. So enter the protective system and enter the substation. The first protective device is lighting arrestor. Try to understand. నేను ఏం చెప్పానంటే సార్ ప్రతి సబ్స్టేషన్స్లో మనకి ఫీడర్స్ వస్తాయి. ఫర్ సపోజ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మర్, జస్ట్ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. దిస్ ఈజ్ like 33 kV by 11 kV transformer. 33 kV belonging. This is one primary substation. Okay, this transformer connect with feeders. Okay, na? This is a feeders, and this is a substation area. In substation area, this is the first incoming pole. This is first incoming pole, and one more. This is one more feeder line. Okay, this is the substation end of the substation. We are provided another one incoming pole. This is the outgoing pole, and this is the incoming pole. One incoming pole, one lighting arrestor we are using. Another outgoing pole, one lighting arrestor we are using. And finally, every substation we have used two lightning arrestor. And ఇంకొక పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే టోటల్ సబ్స్టేషన్లో ఫస్ట్ ప్రొటెక్టివ్ డివైస్ ఏది అంటే సార్ లైటింగ్ అరెస్టర్ అనేది తీసుకుంటాం. లైట్నింగ్ అరెస్టర్. సో హౌ టు వర్క్ దిస్ లైటింగ్ అరెస్టర్? There are different type of lighting arrestors we are using, like a rod gap, spear gap, explosion type, etc. But look at this diagram. This is a rod gap lighting arrestor. So rod gap lighting arrestor, basically we have two contacts. One contact is connected to the earth, another one contact is connected to the line. Okay, so listen. For suppose this is our pole, incoming pole, and incoming pole we are provided the one cross arm. Over a cross arm we are using insulators like this. These all are insulator. In distribution line, this is the distribution line. The top of the pole is phase wire, but in the transmission line, top position of the conductor is earth wire, but distribution line top position of the conductor is top position of the pole is phase wire. For suppose this is the like three phases R, Y and B. Okay, ఈ మూడు phases లో top phase ఏంటి R phase. In this in over a R phase we are provide the one lightning arrestor like this. Every lighting arrestor having two contacts. One is a fixed contact, another one is moving contact. This shape like as a spear shape. This is a spear gap lighting arrestor, and this is a rod gap lighting arrestor. Okay, horn gap lighting arrestor also there. Horn gap lighting arrestors look like this. This is the horn gap lighting arrestor, and one more is explosion type of lighting arrestor. But what is the rating? అంటే ఏ lighting arrestor ఎంత rating యూస్ చేస్తాం అనేది we will discuss later. First, in this video, just we are concentrate on how to operate the lighting arrestors. Okay, look at this. This is the rod gap lighting arrestor. Suppose this is a fixed contact and this is the moving contact. But normal condition means there is no strokes occur in a substation. The two contacts are close to each other but not in touch to each other. దగ్గరగా ఉంటాయి. Okay, but touch అయితే అవ్వవు. Okay, but here we are provide the one wire and finally is connected to the ground. But in between fixed contact and earth we are provided the one resistor This is called what ma? Non-linear resistor. Non-linear resistor. So what is the use of this non-linear resistor? Let me discuss. Non-linear resistor. Okay. And for suppose in normal condition means there is no fault in a system. In the normal condition, the fixed contact already connected in R phase, right? Fixed contact already R phase ki connect ayi undi. ఇప్పుడు for suppose in normal condition the currents are flowing each and every phase. So each and every phase లో మన currents flow అవుతున్నాయి. Okay, this is the IR and this is the IY and this is the IB. Okay, no doubt this is normal currents. Sometimes normal currents also flowing like this manner. ఎందుకంటే this is also conductor, right? And the current will be flowing like this manner. Huge amount of power is wastage. ఎప్పుడైతే ఫేస్లో ఉన్న కరెంట్స్ అనేది గ్రౌండ్కి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాయంటే హ్యూజ్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ పవర్ లాస్ అవుతుంది. దిస్ పవర్ లాస్ కెన్ బి ఎలిమినేటెడ్ బై వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఆఫ్ నాన్ లీనియర్ రెసిస్టర్. ద బిహేవియర్ ఆఫ్ నాన్ లీనియర్ రెసిస్టర్ ఈస్ at normal condition means there is no fault. At normal condition, this non-linear resistor at normal RMS frequency, the non-linear resistor is acts as a high impedance path. At normal condition, non-linear resistor, this is the non-linear resistor, acts as high impedance path. Acts as high impedance path. If impedance value is high, that is Z value is more. If Z value is more, what is the current flowing in the non-linear resistor? Almost negligible. Resistance value more, that means the flow of current is less. Under the normal condition, no currents flowing in a ground. No currents are flowing in a ground. But whenever the fault is occur in a system, the interaction of the two clouds, so in between the two clouds, surge currents is developed. The surge currents touch to the moving contact. That time, the two contacts are touched to each other. The total surge current, this is the surge currents. The total surge current is diverted in a non-linear resistor. But the magnitude of surge currents are very high when compared to the normal currents. So normal currents to compare చేసుకుంటే surge current is very high. So at the high amount of current flowing in a non-linear resistor, this non-linear resistor is acts as a low impedance path. Try to understand. Low currents వెళ్తే ఈ non-linear resistor లోకి ఇది high impedance path గా యాక్ట్. That's why this name is called non-linear. Linear characteristics means what? Whenever the voltage increases, current also increase. That is linear characteristics. Non-linear characteristics means what? High voltage, low currents. You understand? That is a non-linear characteristics. For suppose, here what is the current flowing here? Very high amount of current flowing in a non-linear resistor. This non-linear resistor is acts as a low impedance path. The total surge current is going to a ground. And finally, to eliminate the fault, whenever the fault is eliminated, our productive equipment, our major equipments is safe. What is the major equipment in substation? The major equipment substation is what ma? Our transformer. The lack of cost to invest to the transformer cost may be reduced. So the transfer cost is very high. సో ఈ ఒక్క ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మర్ ఒక్క స్ట్రోక్తో ఆ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మర్ మొత్తం డ్యామేజ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మర్ ఒకవేళ స్ట్రోక్ పడినా కూడా డ్యామేజ్ కాకుండా ఉండడానికి మనం లైటింగ్ అరెస్టర్స్ అనేది ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకే, హియర్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ మీన్స్ వాట్? నాన్ లీనియర్ రెసిస్టర్డ్. సో సో మెనీ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ the question is asking in non-linear resistor. Come on, student, whenever stroke appearance on a lighting arrestor, the total surge current is observed or divert into a ground. చూడండి, స్ట్రోక్ అపీరెన్స్ అయినప్పుడు ఈ సర్జ్ కరెంట్స్ని లైటింగ్ అరెస్టర్ లోపలికి తీసుకుంటుందా లేదా ఈ సర్జ్ కరెంట్ మొత్తాన్ని గ్రౌండ్కి డైవర్ట్ చేస్తుందా? టోటల్ సర్జ్ కరెంట్ డైవర్ట్ ఇంటూ ఎ గ్రౌండ్. హెన్స్ the lighting arrestor is also called as surge diverter, not surge observer. ఇది సర్జిని తనలో తీసుకోదు, సర్జిని మొత్తాన్ని కూడా ఎర్త్లోకి డైవర్ట్ చేస్తుంది. హెన్స్ దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ వాట్? సర్జ్ డైవర్టర్. అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ వన్ మోర్ పాయింట్, లైటింగ్ అరెస్టర్ జనరల్లీ is made up of thyroid material. Okay, so we are going to discuss This all the concept. First one what ma? Lightning arrestor. Lightning arrestor. Okay, first point. The lightning arrestor is also called as surge diverter. Okay. Second one, the lightning arrestor made up of is made up of thyroid. Okay. Next one. At normal condition means there is no fault. At normal condition, the nonlinear resistor acts as low impedance path. Okay, this is the first important point. But at faulty condition, the nonlinear resistor acts as high impedance path. Okay. And next point of lighting arrestor. Next one point. Lighting arrestor to avoid the lightning arrestor is to be avoid external over voltage indirect stroke, not for direct stroke. Mostly these are essence for assigning for indirect stroke. Okay, indirect stroke. This is a very, very important for points in competitive examination. Next video we will going to discuss remaining topic. Thank you.